So what's up going on, guys? Today I'm Inigo here and I will show you guys how to do a fight scene with the Sony Vegas. I will show you this scene that we will make it. Wait. I will make like this. It's like kinda we are fighting in hard, but actually it's just like this. That's the original scene, the original footage. So what I'm doing here, you have to follow me, guys, because if you're not, maybe you can fail. Yep. So all you have to do is, the first thing you have to do is download the sound effect or the fighting pack. I give you the link in the description. So we have this, and we're just gonna match it, sing it with the sound effects. So just match it when you hit somebody. Just go add some sound effects. It's good. You need to sing it until it's perfect. So it's like this. It's the first hit. The second hit I will make in a minute. Nice, so I'm just gonna put it. No, it's nice, I think, as you can see here. Here for the swing, I will use the kick, the tendang, for the next. With the swing. Here, so this is the edits. Yep, so it's done. It's going well. It's perfect. Oh my god, it's so perfect. So yep, it's perfect, and I will render it until you can see the result, because I'm not rendering in HD quality because it will take time, big time. So I'm just render it into the not HD quality. So it's nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Subscribe if you want the next video. I will glad if you do that. So hope you enjoyed that, and goodbye.